Hello kids. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, Health is Wealth. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, Health is Wealth. If our health is good, that time we enjoy our life. Otherwise, we cannot enjoy this wonderful life unless we are fit and healthy. So, we should take care of our health. Health is wealth. In this lesson, we shall study invention of medical instruments. Invention of medical instruments. Example: thermometer, microscope, stethoscope, and other. Second point is invention of medical techniques. Pasteurization and vaccination. Pasteurization and vaccination. Next point is antiseptic and antibiotics. Antiseptic and antibiotics. How to prevent and cure infection and the diseases. Okay, in this lesson we are going to study these all points. Lesson name is Health is Wealth. Health is right. Health is rightly called our true wealth, because we cannot enjoy this wonderful life unless we are fit and healthy. Yes, health is called a true world wealth. Health is wealth because we cannot enjoy a wonderful life, wonderful world unless we fit and healthy. Medicine is the branch of science that deals with the treating patients for infection and diseases. Medicine is the branch of science that deals with the treating patients for infection and diseases. Here one example given. Ronak and Meena are both unwell. Ronak and Meena are both unwell. Ronak goes with his mother to the doctor and take proper medicine, but lazy and careless Meena does it. Who will recover faster and why? Ronak and Meena are both unwell. Ronak goes with his mother and to the doctor take proper medicines, but lazy and careless Meena doesn't. She didn't go to the doctor and didn't take a proper medicines. Then Ronak recovered fast because he goes towards doctor and he take a proper medicine. Understood, no kids? Scientists have invented valuable instruments, tools, techniques that help in early detection of ailments and their treatments. Scientists invented lots of instruments, tools, techniques that help in early detection of ailment and their treatments. Let us study some of them and understand how they changed our lives for the better. Here we are going to see the technique, means instruments, tools, techniques, how they help to change our life for better. Okay, so see here, thermometer. It is called a thermometer. Thermometer is an important medical device that measures temperature, Despite many modern inventions in medical science, it is still one of the fundamental and important medical instruments to check body temperature in human and animals. The thermometer was invented by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit in 1714. The doctor's thermometer uses mercury and is able to show us the exact temperature since it has a high boiling point and low body temperature of person above 98.4 degree Fahrenheit suggested that the person has fever. Until the thermometer was invented, clinical examination for the body temperature of patients was done by the touching the forehead or feeling the pulses. Thermometer is the important medical device. It is the important medical device that measures temperature of the humans and animals. Many modern invention in medical science, it is also one of the fundamental important medical instrumentation to check a body of human and animals temperature. Understood the kids? The thermometer was invented by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit in 1714. The thermometer was invented by Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit in 1714. The doctor's thermometer uses mercury and is able to show the exact temperature. In that thermometer they are using a mercury to show the exact temperature. This one white part is a thermometer. This one a mercury is there. Thermometer has a mercury to show the exact temperature since it's a boiling point and this is a freezing point. Normal body temperature is human being 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Normal temperature of the human being is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit and the body temperature of persons is also 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. Suggested that he has fever. Until the temperature was invented, clinical examination of the body temperature of patient was done by touching the forehead and feeling the pulses. Okay kids, next on the page. Stethoscope. The stethoscope is medical device meant to understand the functioning of the heart and lungs on the basis of the sound they make. Stethoscope is the instrument, is the device which understands the functioning of the heart on the basis of what? Sound. A heart make a sound, lub dub, lub dub. The stethoscope understand the functioning of the heart. The stethoscope magnifies the sound made by the particular organ and thus help us the doctor in doing the proper diagnosis of our problems. The stethoscope help us the doctor in doing a proper diagnosis of a problem to find out the problem, what is the problem in that body, that one patient. The stethoscope help us to doctor to identify the problem. The stethoscope was invented in France in 1816 by Dr. Laennec. The stethoscope was invented in France in 1816 by Dr. René Laennec. Dr. René Laennec. Until the stethoscope was invented, clinical examination of patients was largely limited to external observation only. Until the stethoscope was invented, clinical examination of patients was largely limited to external observation only. It is used only for the external observation. And this stethoscope was invented by which one? Dr. Rene Laennec in 1816. It is invented in France in 1816 by Dr. Rene Laennec. Understood, no kids? Do you know? Check your car's heartbeats. The mechanic stethoscope is used to listen the internal sound made by the machine, such as diagnosing the malfunctioning automobile engine by listening to the sound of its internal part. Machine stethoscopes are different to hear the sound of the machine's heartbeat. Understood, no kids? Next one is microscope. Microscope is an instrument used in order to see the objects or living organisms that are too small microscopic to be visible to the naked eye. Microscope living organisms are called the microorganisms. Microscope is also an instrument used in order to see the objects or living organisms that are too small microscopic to be visible to the naked eye. Their microscope help us to see the very too small organisms, objects and living objects. Microscope living organisms are called microorganisms. The science of investigating small objects using such instruments is called microscopy. The science of investigating small objects, to investigate a small objects by using this object instrument is called microscopy. The invention of the microscope has enabled to doctor and the researcher to study the various microscopic organisms causing many diseases and find out the effective way to their prevention and cure. The invention of the microscope has enabled to doctor and researcher to study the various microscopic organisms causing diseases, infections and find out effective way of their prevention and cure. Without microscope, no any work will become, because the microscope shows a very too small organisms by a naked eye. With the help of the microscope, we see very small microorganisms, living organisms. The microscope help us to doctor to study various microscopic organisms causing many diseases and find out the effective way of their prevention. The microscope help us to the doctor to find out the effective way of their prevention and to cure, how to cure it. Understood now? Okay. Other instruments. Medical science has made tremendous progress with invention of medical instruments other than the above. Some of them, such as X-ray machines, ECG, electronic cardiogram and CT scanner, have helped in faster diagnosis, leading to the faster treatment and recovery. Instead of this one, above instruments mean stethoscope, microscope. Medical science made a progress with the invention of medical instruments such as X-ray machine, ECG and CT scanner, have helped in faster diagnosis, leading to fast treatment and recovery. The X-ray machine click a picture of inside the patient's body. The X-ray machine click the picture of inside of the patient's body. These rays are particularly useful in identifying bone fractures, while scanners give accurate picture of internal organs such as brain, liver and kidney. This X-ray useful identify the bones fracture. This X-ray help us to identify the bones fractures, while the scanner give accurate picture of internal organs such as brain, liver and kidney. X-ray machine is help us to give the accurate internal picture of internal organs, brain, liver and kidney. X-ray help us to bones picture and the scanner help us to internal picture of internal organs such as brain, liver and kidney. Electrocardiography, ECG or EKG from Greek, cardia meaning heart. Electrocardiography is ECG or EKG from Greek word cardia meaning heart. Machine is used to observe the functioning of the heart. This ECG machine used to the observation of the heart, and the cardia meaning in Greek, cardia meaning heart. This machine used to observe the heart functioning of the heart. Laser surgery uses laser light to remove the diseased tissue or the treat bleeding blood vessels without cutting open the affected part. Eye surgery done with the help of the laser rays is most common. Laser surgery uses a laser light to remove the diseased tissues or treat the bleeding blood vessels without cutting open the affected part. They are using a laser light. By light they recovers diseased part. They treat on the diseased part. Eye surgery done with the help of the laser ray is the most common. Eye surgery is done by a laser ray. Nowadays, most surgeries by doing a laser, light. That laser light to remove diseased tissues or treat bleeding blood vessels without cutting open the affected part. Understood, no kids? Next, penicillin, the miracle drug. Penicillin means the miracle drug. What is the miracle in this drug? We'll see. The discovery of penicillin in 1928 will always be remembered as a path-breaking milestones in a medical history. The discovery of penicillin the penicillin was discovered in 1928 will always be remembered as path-breaking milestone in medical history. Alexander Fleming, a British scientist, had been working in his laboratory and had grown some bacteria on some small round dishes for research purpose. The airborne spores of some fungus accidentally fell on one of the plates, while the fungus or mud grew and even spread. The bacteria on that plates were killed. This led to further research till it became clear that mold had created a particular substance that was killing different types of harmful and infected causing bacteria. Flamingo named this one discovery penicillin. This one Alexander Fleming how discovered penicillin. This one we'll see. A British scientist, Alexander Fleming, he is a British scientist, had been working in his laboratory and had grown some bacteria. He had grown some bacteria on a small round dish for research purpose. Alexander had grown some bacteria on small round dish for research purpose. The airborne spores of some fungus accidentally fell on one of the plates. They fell on some one of the plates, while the fungus or the mold grew and even spread. The bacteria on that plate were killed. When it fell down that time, the bacteria on that plate were killed. This led to further research till it clear that the mold had created a particular substance that was killing different types of harmful and infection causing bacteria. Flamingo this time discovered penicillin. Then Flamingo named this new discovery as a penicillin. Understood, no kids? How it was discovered? Okay. See, penicillin was first antibiotic. Penicillin was first antibiotic. An antibiotic is a substance capable of stopping the growth of the even destroying harmful bacteria and microorganism. Penicillin is an antibiotic, is a substance capable to stop the growing of the or even destroying the harmful bacteria and microorganisms. Scientific research in this branch of medicine has given us important antibiotics like chloromycetin. Like scientific research on this branch of medicine has given some important antibiotics. Examples, some antibiotics names are chloromycetin, ampicillin, tetracycline, streptomycin, ciprofloxacin, streptomycin, ciprofloxacin, ceftazidime, augmentin, and amoxicillin. These are some antibiotics names. Today, these antibiotics and many other are used to treat different types of infection. Tetracycline, ampicillin, chloromycetin, streptomycin, ciprofloxacin, ceftazidime, augmentin, amoxicillin. These antibiotics are used to treat different types of infection. Understood, kids? Okay. In the next video, we'll see vaccines and vaccination towards diseases. Okay? Until you read the lesson and remove the difficult words, new words, and read that one, learn bahir that one, and write down in your notebook. Thank you for watching the video.